Now let's talk about underline and strike. In underline and strike, we use a property called text decoration. Okay, text decoration. This allows you to specify values such as none, underline, line through, and blank. When you use the blank, it means you are trying to animate the text. You make it flash on and off. Line through also adds a line through words, like as in strike through when you are using MS Word. And underline also puts a line under a text. Okay, and overline, okay, adds a line over the top of the text. There's another property or another value called none. This removes any decoration already applied to the text, and this is how text decoration applies to a particular element. We're also going to explore that one. And this is leading or line height. Leading, but it is leading, but it is pronounced as what? Leading. Okay, it's a term that typographers also what? Use for the vertical space between lines of text. That is as in line spacing. The part of the letter that drops beneath the baseline is called the descender, while the highest point of the letter is called the ascender. Leading is measured from the bottom of the descender on one line to the top of the ascender on the next line. In CSS, line height property sets the height of an entire line of text. So the difference between the font size and then the line height is equivalent to the leading. Increasing the line height makes the vertical gap between the lines of text larger. Now let's explore this more by going to our text editor. Now the practical for text decoration also. I've made my second level heading, underline, and then all my paragraph. I don't want any text decoration. Let me just change it and make, we have underline and then we have overline. Okay, let me make this one overline. Let me just save it and see how it's going to appear. So I've made this underline and I've made this overline. Okay, you can decide to make it none,